Hi there. Whether you're a student looking for internships or preparing for your dream job searching can feel overwhelming. And that's where Theo comes in, your personalized AI career coach. In the next 10 minutes, I'll show you how Theo takes the guesswork out of job applications. We'll perfect your resume with match scores, create tailored cover letters with instant feedback, practice for technical and behavioral interviews, and find jobs that are right for you. Let's dive in. Let's get started with perfect your resume. Because honestly, when I apply for jobs, I don't want to guess if my resume is a good match. Theo not only tells me my match score, but what's missing and how to fix it. From my dashboard, I'm going to click on Perfect Resume. Here, Theo gives me two options. I can upload a job description or just add the role information manually. For this example, I'll paste in the job description for a marketing intern role. Next, I'll upload my existing resume. Theo instantly analyzes it and gives me a match score. This tells me how closely my resume aligns with my job requirements. I can see which top requirements I've met and where I might be missing key skills. If I hover over each match, Theo explains the reasoning, so I know exactly what's working and what needs improvement. Now I'll click Optimize Resume. Based on each theme we see to our left, Theo asks me targeted questions to better tailor my resume for this role. The goal isn't just to answer every question. It's to work with Theo to uncover parts of my professional experience I might have overlooked. Theo helps me identify transferable skills, reframe past projects, and highlight achievements in a way that aligns with the job description. As we refine the answers, the match score may improve when the information is relevant, but more importantly, I'm building a sharper, more compelling story for employers. Once I feel my resume tells the strongest version of my professional journey, I'll click Generate Resume, and Theo will create multiple optimized formats. From here, I can download my preferred version and send it directly to my instructor. Don't you hate writing cover letters for every job you apply for? Well, with Theo, you get a tailored cover letter instantly that actually connects your experiences to the job that you're applying for. After optimizing your resume, Theo automatically generates a personalized cover letter for that exact role. Notice how it doesn't just repeat my resume. It tells a story about why I'm excited about the specific company and role. The best part, I can easily customize it further and share it with my instructor for feedback before sending it to employers. Let's check out the technical interview feature. With Theo, you can even prepare for the technical side of interviews. Theo makes it easy to create custom practice modules specific to the role that you're aiming for. From the homepage, click on Technical Interview Prep. Here, you can browse through a variety of pre-built roles and modules, each designed to target key interview skills for common job paths. But if you have something more specific in mind, tailored to your background, goals, or industry, you can create your own custom role and module. Let's walk through that now. I'll choose Product Marketer as my role title, select Entry Level as my experience level, and choose an early stage startup as the company type. For industry, I'll go with education. You can also add an optional description to guide Theo, like specific tools you've worked with, team size, or challenges you'd like to focus on. Once filled out, click Create Role. Now, you'll be able to generate tailored interview modules and even adjust the difficulty level to match your confidence and readiness. Or, if you'd like to create your own module, click here. Before starting, you'll see setup guidance, including interview tips, environment, recommendations, and how to configure your camera. When you're ready, hit Start Practice to begin your session. Theo will ask questions based on the exact scenario you've set, and once the session ends, you'll receive personalized feedback on both what you said and how you said it. After your interview, you'll land on the feedback page, your personalized breakdown to help you improve. At the top right, you'll see your end score, summarizing your overall performance. From there, your results are divided into three core areas: technical expertise, which are role-specific skills scored individually; communication and competency, a radar chart showing strengths like clarity, logic, and creativity; and first impression, a visual of how confident, passionate, and connected you came across. Scrolling down, you'll find personalized tips under Next Steps for actionable guidance, Growth Areas for skills to focus on, and kudos, moments where you nailed it, to reinforce strength and build momentum. Every question you answered is reviewed in detail. You'll see the original question, a transcript of your response, and a clear breakdown of feedback, including what you did well and where you can improve. Below that, Theo tags your response with specific themes like stakeholder awareness, clarity, or channel selection, depending on how you answered, so you can pinpoint exactly which skills need more attention. And finally, Theo offers a recommended answer, a strong, structured example of how you might approach the question differently next time. It's a powerful way to learn by comparison and refine your thinking. Altogether, this feedback flow is built to help you grow with every session, so your next interview isn't just practice, it's performance. Let's move on to the self-introduction feature, because let's be honest, first impressions do matter. From the homepage, click on Self-Introduction. Theo then prompts you to record a short video introducing yourself, just like you would in an interview. Talking about your strengths and skills is an important skill to have outside of just an interview context. Before starting, you'll see options to choose your scenario and your session length. Theo prompts you with realistic and representative situations you might actually face, whether it's introducing yourself to a hiring manager, networking at an event, or pitching your skills in a class setting. Choose the scenario that best matches your needs, set your session length, and then click Start Practice. Before jumping right in, you can adjust your video and audio settings. Now, you can get started with answering the question on the screen. Remember, be brief, connect your key experiences, and adapt to your audience and setting. As soon as you finish, Theo analyzes your introduction and gives instant feedback. It scores aspects like clarity, tone, and pacing, and even points out if you're using filler words or speaking too quickly. As a bonus, Theo also provides you with a revised version of the introduction you gave. If you want to share this with someone for feedback, you can simply share the results and video by clicking here and typing in their email. You can share with existing nSpire users or non-nSpire users. Although, to make comments on a shared file, they do need to have an nSpire account. Let's move on to Theo's mock interview feature. Have you ever been in a position where you thought you did really well during an interview and still never got a call back? Wouldn't you have liked to have gotten feedback on how to improve? Well, with Theo, you can. From the homepage, click on Mock Interview. Here, you can type in the specific interview scenario you want to practice. For example, a hiring manager interview for a junior software engineer. Theo also shows trending interview types you can choose from, like phone screening, behavioral questions, collaboration skills, or final round prep. I can pick my session length, 5, 10, or 30 minutes, and then click Start Mock Interview. Remember, there's no pressure, but practice like it's the real thing. That way, Theo can give you detailed feedback on how to improve. Once the session is done, Theo takes a moment to analyze your performance. You'll see an overall score that reflects your strengths and growth areas across the entire interview. Things like confidence, presence, and communication style, to name a few. From there, Theo breaks down each individual question, showing you exactly how you performed and what you did well, and where you can improve. It doesn't just point out gaps. Theo shows you how it's done, providing recommended answers so you can see what a strong response looks like. This way, you get both a big picture view of your interview skills and detailed, actionable guidance questions by question, so you know exactly how to improve for next time. Let's move on to the job board. When you're ready to apply, Theo shows you jobs you're most likely to get. And he even tells you why you'd be a good fit. Right away, Theo surfaces personalized job matches tailored to my resume, skills, and goals. I can quickly switch between different resumes I've uploaded to see which jobs align best. With the freshness filter, I can view roles posted as recently as today or up to 3 months back. And with one click, I can sort by best match, most recent, or everything in between. If you're looking for something specific, like remote work or full-time versus part-time, just use the keyword search. If I hover over a job card, it provides me with the match breakdown based on experience, responsibilities, skills, and education. By clicking here on See Match Details, you'll get a breakdown of why Theo thinks you're a good fit. Here, you'll see the job details, your match insights, and Theo's recommendations. Ready to apply? Click through to the external posting. Not ready yet? Save it for later.
You can always view your saved or applied jobs directly from the job board.
You've got the talent, and now you have the tools. Job searching shouldn't feel overwhelming anymore. With Theo, you have everything you need to stand out from the crowd. Polished resumes, compelling cover letters, confident interview skills, and jobs that actually match your potential. Start your journey now with Theo at nspireai.com.